Good morning, and it's Michael tomorrow back with another video. Everybody got their bonnets on in the car except Muna, but we are all taking a road trip to Orlando. This is Maya, Michelle, my cousin Pink, or she go by Cece, whichever one floats her boat, and Muna. Everybody's things will be tagged in the bio below. We have a 6-hour drive. We'll be making one stop, and that's the Buc-ee's. We actually made like 2 or 3 stops. I don't remember. We made Buc-ee's, then we stopped again for gas. And then we got to Florida, but then we stopped to like at the Dollar Tree and a smoke shop and a liquor store. And yeah. We got the bed for Buc-ee's. We're gonna stop at Buc-ee's and but yeah, my sister, she already left, so we're following my mom and my auntie and just the entire family. So we will get back at you when we stop at Buc-ee's. Everyone say bye.
Bye. We're great.
Oh. Hey guys, we are back. We have 4 hours left on our travels, but we stopped at Buc-ee's for a pit stop. Gang all here, gang all here. So what's up to the vlog? Yeah. Mona. Maya. It's okay. We finna go on an adventure in Buc-ee's and we'll see you on the other side. Bye. Oh. Phone. Okay. Camera's a little greasy. The camera's a little greasy. I don't feel like.
It's a little bit hard.
I'm sorry, I got some jelly or something.
Oh, it's cooking.
It's a little runny. Damn, I really gotta like be careful pulling out now because I can't see shit. I hope someone see the front of my car. Hey, ooh, thank you, Jesus. Okay, who need a tripod? Not me. We finna pay for the gas and get back on the road. We will hit you back up when we like finna get to the tolls. Everyone say bye to the vlog. Hey everybody, we just arrived at the Airbnb. Say hey to the camera. Maya is a little preoccupied right now, but we'll get at her later. This is the bathroom. It's super nice, it's super cute. You know, purr. Bathroom, cute little shower, nice. Purr. It's real dark in here. Why are there no lights on? Like, we ain't paying the light bill. So this is like the little upstairs common area where everybody can like chillax and chill out. There are some rooms over here. This is one of the kids' rooms that everyone will be staying in. It's really cute. Minnie Mouse on the wall. Then we got the boys' room. My brothers, they're staying in here. This big old Hogwarts Stadonna. And then we have some other rooms. I'm gonna show y'all downstairs next. Who's ready to have fun? Who's ready to have fun? Make noise. Losers. This is downstairs, the living room. We have a nice open space, dining area. This is the kitchen. It's nice and big and spacious. This is my Grams. Grams, say hi.
Hey, how y'all doing?
I don't
I piece myself up in my.
Anyways, and then there's the pool area over there. So yeah, this is my brother Cass. Say hi to the vlog. Say hi to the vlog. Why don't you want to say hi? You know, this is my other brother. Say hi to the vlog.
I'm the best YouTuber in the family.
And anyway, we're done with that one. This is my cousin. Say hi. Y'all saw her earlier in the video. Anyways. Hi, Mason. This is my cousin. You having fun? Alright, I'll see you later. Okay. Yeah, so we finna like get situated, get dressed, and put on some like decent other kind of clothes and relax. So I will get at y'all a little later. I said I was gonna get back to y'all after like this clip, but we ended up watching an episode of Power, waiting on my mom to finish cooking. So the next clips you're probably about to see are the clips of us playing Uno.
Let's go. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
I ain't never played that.
Oh.
I don't know how to play that.
Wait, is it my turn?
Yeah.
The rock, paper, scissors?
But wouldn't you just always do bone because it tears up everything?
The rock.
Paper beats rock.
Yeah, paper be rock.
No.
Because it, yes,
It close it up. It cover it.
It's a rock.
Come on, Cinderella. Ooh, that's a bright light. Please record me because I just know I'm doing such a horrible job. Hey guys, so no, thank you. Hey guys, so we just finished having us a little game night. Whoa, why are you so close? Please stop. You are not Stop, no paparazzi.
Oh, previously on Cheaters. We just want you to step outside.
Stop.
We just want you to step outside. We want you to step outside.
Stop. Oh.
What do you have to say for yourself, Michelle?
I've been hit by a car.
Michelle.
Hey guys, so we have gotten ready for the day. Maya, what's up? We're going to try this place called Kiki's. It's the first time us trying it. And yeah. They put our names on the list. Say what's up to the vlog. She's very hungry, so her social battery rate is low. Not you, I'm talking about myself. Yeah. But I will let you guys know what we do in a few. Hey guys, so we just got back from Kiki's because my cousin wanted to change. They were really good. You'll see like a picture of my food and my my little thingy. I forgot what it's called, but you'll see it. Like you'll be like, ooh, but if not, I'll just insert a picture of it. But it was really good. The pancakes were like huge and they were so thick and just fluffy. I loved them so much. They were really good. The eggs and the potatoes, it was okay, but the pancakes is what really did it for them. But yeah, we just chilling. My cousin's changing, and then we're gonna go somewhere. I think Voodoo Donuts or something like that, or we're going to some type of Disney strip or something. So we will get back to you when we get there. So bye. Hey guys, so I am back at you with, you know, more things going on with my fit today. Say hey to the vlogging. So we are at Universal City Walk. Instead of going to the actual park because it's so crowded out here this weekend for Memorial Day. It's like so many people here. So we officially have made it into the city. Well, not officially made it into the city walk, but we're on a little thing going towards the city walk, and we're almost there. We are at the Voodoo Donuts. Ooh, wait, where is it? Oh, it's right there. We're at Voodoo Donuts, and we're about to get in line to get us some donuts. Get underneath this shade. What did you say?
You got the munchies?
So we decided that we weren't gonna get see how much I want Fat Tuesdays. We decided that we wasn't gonna get Voodoo Donuts until after we leave. So now we just gotta walk around the park and stuff. I feel very bloated after eating those pancakes. How about you? It is very hot. It is hot. It's very crispy. Well done. park. We in the park. We looking for Fat Tuesday now. You want to say something to the vlog? You don't want to say nothing?
Nope.
Wow, you're lame. Say something to the vlog. You want to shout out to all the... Wow. They're all such haters, literally. Hey y'all, we are at the chocolate factory in the Universal Studios. Come over here and look. Like, look at all the stuff around you. They got macaroons. Look. So tasty.
You get one of those things with
She changed her mind. Off to Margaritaville. So we made it into Fat Tuesday. I mean, not Fat. I ended up not getting Fat Tuesday. I got something else, and then saw Fat Tuesdays on the way back to Voodoo Donut. But we made it into Voodoo Donut, and this is all of these are all of their donuts. What donuts are y'all getting?
Well, you finna get this? Is that real bacon?
Yeah, I think I'm gonna get that one. Which one you say you was gonna get?
You keep saying the heart earth one.
You gonna get the heart earth one?
Yeah.
For real? What you getting? What are you getting?
The Captain Crunch one.
Where it is? Which one are you getting?
Like raspberries?
Just the plain plains?
Let's get a good one. It's better to eat that. I'm getting some extras.
Cass said he's gonna get the Captain Crunch.
You bumped into me, my defense. You stopped walking.
We are on our way out of the place. This bitch done dropped my donuts.
They didn't fall out the fucking box, dude.
She lucky. Pay $6 for them hoes.
Knocked over. What you pay for them?
$6. Jaws. Wait, Michelle.
How many?
Jaws.
For each?
No.
For the whole thing?
Yeah.
That's cheap.
How many did you get? How much you pay? 3? Oh, that's cheap as fuck. Ha!
She wanted to buy donuts, y'all.
I did.
Donuts are secure. So look at them. It ain't need a box.
You knocked the bacon off.
You can put the bacon back on.
Hey,
It's like a bacon.
no one's as lit as I am. But it's okay. So Muna wants me to run to the car. You're gonna run to the car? How are you gonna run to the car in sandals? Ready to start. Wait! No! Hat. I came in second place on the race to the car. Yeah. Hey guys, now we're in the like 3-story, 2-story McDonald's in Orlando. The one that sells pastas and pizzas and stuff. It's Maya and Muna's first time here, so you know we're probably gonna get a little something before we go home and chow down on barbecue and stuff. So I'll let y'all go through the process of me ordering. So we all got 3 French fries. I want to see what else they have. Yes, all of them with sauce. Oh. Dang, 10 cents?
I want 10 cents for these. That's fine.
Pastas and stuff. Oh, they got waffles and ham and cheese French toast. Oh, here it is. Build your own pasta, build your own pizza, Philly cheesesteak. Hey guys, so we went to the 3-layer McDonald's, and we all got like large fries and took pictures in the parking lot. So now we are back at the house. I haven't done my tasting for my donuts from the Voodoo place, but we're gonna go do a taste test on those now, and then we're gonna go sit poolside until later when we go out to eat for like, we're going to this truck world thing. We're going to the world of food trucks, and so they have like different foods from like all over there. So I'm going to be picking out, ooh, well, you don't already seen it. Yep, I'm in a bathing suit. But yeah, so let's go try these donuts. Okay guys, so I'm here with my donuts from the Voodoo bakery place, and so I got a maple bacon and a cinnamon cake thingy, cinnamon sugar cake. So we're gonna taste these and see what's going on. First of all, I'm gonna taste the bacon because I have to. Okay, bacon. Okay, bacon. This is the maple glaze. It tastes like how it tastes how you would think maple bacon would taste like. I low-key can taste like the greasy taste of the bacon and the mapleness of like a honey bun is what I'm getting. And now I'm gonna taste the cinnamon cookie thingy, the cinnamon sugar cookie. What was it?
Cinnamon something cake.
I thought it was cinnamon sugar cake.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's what I said.
You having a leg made?
This is part of my vlog. Oh. Like, but I didn't get to show them me eating my thing because we went to McDonald's. Okay, so now I'm gonna taste that. Oh wow. Wow. That's just like a powdered donut minus the powder. Okay. I'm gonna get a sip of water and then I'm gonna get a sip of water and then we're gonna go hang. Ooh, lose my finger.
You keep touching me, bro.
Then we're gonna go hang poolside.
You keep touching me, bro. You ain't gonna do nothing about it. I just feel like it's a problem.
Now when he dunk you in the pool, don't say nothing. Cause I'm not going to issue no type of saving summons or none of that. You just gonna get dunked.
Oh, ain't no just chill.
Nah, you can't say just chill now because now the forethought is in his mind. Nah, I'm sorry. You can't just not mean something. No. Whatever, Mason. Go get dunked in the pool. This fruit punch freaking Capri Sun literally tastes like apple juice. It's really good. I love it. I'm definitely gonna buy more of these when we get home. We had a seafood boil last night. I didn't record any of that. Literally, I didn't record anything that we did yesterday. Except for us like going to the stores and stuff, I guess. But we had a seafood mukbang. It was so good. I cleared my plate. Today my grandma's barbecued. I'm gonna eat a little bit of that, but we going to this food truck world. Like I mentioned earlier, we're going to food truck world and they don't close till 2 a.m. And they have food from all over the world, bro. They have like Chinese. Hey y'all, so it's a bit of a time jump. I low-key took a nap earlier after I got out of the pool and took pictures and stuff, but now we are at the world of food trucks. We finna go try some of these delicious cuisines out here that they got. So it's like 1 or 2 in the morning, and I got some papusas and empanadas from the food fair. But yeah, I got papusas, and he gave me some free empanadas. I hope this is the right order. Hey guys, so we're back home. It's like 2:02 a.m. and everybody has like headed to bed. I got my food. I ate some of it. It was actually pretty tasty. And yeah, I still have a lot of food left. Like, I only took like 4 bites. I'm ready to like KO. So I'm gonna go to sleep, and then when I wake up, we'll be in the next day to the vlog. So see you in the morning. Good morning. It's the next day, and we are all kind of running late for our brunch plans. We're on our way to Bacon Bitch, and after that, nobody knows if we're going to the beach, going to a water park, or something. But I don't know, because the beach kind of far, and the water park might be the closest thing. So we'll see what happens later. You probably can't hear me, but yeah. So we just got back not too long ago, and I just really cleaned up and packed my room because we leave in the morning. But I'm wearing this cute swimsuit. I just laid down to neighborhood water park.
My mic. Did you look? Did you notice that cheese?